Hey guys, so I'm going to get highlights today. So my tita is here. My tita is a hairstylist and she's gonna put on highlights here at home lang. So I'm going to share with you guys the process on my highlights at home and I'll show you the after. Marugame. No, spring onion.
Ito, may spring onion pa rin. Gagawa ako ng luga, goto. Pipicture ko, lagay ko dito mamaya.
Ay, oo nga, Tito Absi. Pwede. Marugame. Look.
Shampoohin mo, tapos i-conditioner mo.
Narinig ko na ba yung hindi ko pa
Saan ba may mga clip?
Ang ingay naman mo. Dito, Joyce. Balawan ko na sa Joyce, no?
Shampoohin mo, tapos conditioner mo. Dahil lalagyan natin ito ng Brazilian. Ay, gusto mo naman. Wala bang plastic para ilagay ko ito?
Ay, oo nga. Si Risa nandyan na eh. Baka, ayun na siya. Ang galing. Ayun na siya. Okay guys, so my banyo organizer just arrived. Let's set it up. Nakapajama pa ako, sorry. But yeah, it's a multi-layer rack. Let's see. So we have the first layer. And then the second layer. Oops, sorry, Macy. Oh, box. Oh, box. Okay, it also comes with instructions. Okay, let's try. It also comes with a sticker para madikit mo siya sa wall ng bathroom. Ay, ito. Ito yung other one. Let's stick. And then you attach it here. Ay, baliktad. Okay, this is what it looks like Now, so, piniplace talaga siya sa ibabaw ng toilet. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Exactly. Ano ba tong mga to na apat? Baka ganyan. Okay, baka pang sabit lang. Let's try to put it sa bathroom and fix my toiletries. There! Okay, so I have parang a stand na for all my toiletries. So my shampoo, my conditioner, my face wash, my body stuff like body wash, loofah. Sakto, papaano ko.
Wag mo
Second
muna
dose.
siyang babasain, be, Bukas mo na.
Ay, ito, Tita Joyce. Itong fan.
Ayan, sige.
Ito
Ano
fan
mo
na?
na? Oo. Yan, ito.
Ay.
Lotion na to, lotion to.
Yan, mo din yung iba, oh.
Para pag inano ng blue.
Ganda.
Ganda talaga.
Ano hair kagabi? Ano ko kunto? Dito sa likod?
Ay, puti.
Taray. Ang ganda nga tignan eh, Tita Joyce. Pagaling dito, oh.
Lakas makaganda no?
Yan. You know what color puti is.
I know.
Relax lang.
This is what it looks like after my henna.
Nilagyan mo. Nasaan na?
Nandiyan siya sa banyo, pero nasa baba yung ano eh. Nasa baba yung
Alin?
Smarty Band.
Dala-dala ko. Aalisin mo na ba itong halaman na to? Aalisin mo na itong halaman? Kung aalisin mo, mapalikot ko sa taas.
Pwede mo, pwede hindi.
Ano gusto mo?
Kahit wala dito, Apsi.
O kung gusto mo, lagyan kita ng halaman, iba dito yung indoor. Kasi ito, wala eh. Parang walang kwenta.
Wala nga siya. Display lang. Hey guys, good morning. So I just wanted to share an update on how my highlights look like now. So ayun siya. So it kind of toned down already, no? Coming from the first lagay. And this is my lashes. Guys, I got a new Shopee order. So this is from their top Korean seller. And I got this for just 200. Wait lang. Kasi meron akong code na 500 off. Okay, wait. Let's open this. Okay, guys. So I got this Claire Supple preparation. Ay, pumasok mga dogs. Facial toner. So I got this for only 200 pesos. It's supposed to be 700. Pero dahil nga may 500 off ako from Shopee because of my friend Sophia, i-share siya ng code. I got this for only 200. Actually, I'm expecting it to be more to be bigger, pero ganito lang pala siya. Excited to try it out. I even got a freebie. This is a face mask. Hey guys, today is a Saturday and maliligo na ang dogs. Care of Jide. B. So, ito yung mga kailangan nila tuwing maliligo. So, ear care, eye care, yung brush nila, na puro ngat-ngat na, as you can see. And itong soap, yung kanilang soap na smelly hair. So, mas mabango to kaysa doon sa orange. Kaya ito yung binili ko. Their toothbrush. Actually, sira na yung toothbrush nila and toothpaste. Nginat-ngat na nila. So, I'm going to be opening this new one. So, beef yung flavor niya. Let's see if magustuhan nila. And finally, may blower na sila. Di na sila magtutuyo ng normal. Pwede na sila i-blower after maligo. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, Rocky. Are you ready, Rocky? Let's open this new dental care set. I hope hindi nila ngat-ngatin. So, it comes with these 3 na toothbrush. Ito. Parehas meron sa ends. And a new flavor. Beef. Dapat ata binabalik ko to dito. No? Macy! Ang tagal naman. Ang tagal. Maraming nakapila. Tommy! Come here!
Baka pag nag-walk siya ng trip na...
Hindi, hindi try. What?
Gusto ko rin parang naman eh. Ulit mo naman India. Sige naman ba siya?
All the fresh dogs. Fresh dog. Hoy, fresh dog yan. Rocky. Rocky. Macy. Fresh dogs. Where are my fresh dogs? Where are my fresh dogs? I'm going to wax today. This is my Pro Wax kit that I got from Shopee. Done waxing. So, ito lahat yung nakuha ko sa legs ko. Yay! Hair free. So, this is the wax pins that I use from Shopee. Parang 100 lang siya. Ano pa panoorin natin, B? Okay, we ordered popcorn from Taters. Horror na lang kaya? Or Tagalog? Kahit anong Tagalog. Tagalog na lang. Okay, so this is what we got. Hold on. Wait. Okay, what do we have? We have butter. Extra butter. Extra flavoring for Jide. This is Texan barbecue. Texan barbecue for me. And white cheddar for Jide. Pati tayo sa butter. Ay, actually, meron na pala akong butter. So, si Jai, double yung butter. And then, meron pa siyang flavor. Tapos, ako. Ha?
Okay.
Cool. Ooh. Ano sabi niya?
Teka lang.
Juicy. Juicy the Shih Tzu. Juicy. Baby. Macy, antok. Macy. 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 I got stuff from Dayan. So, panadala niya ako ng food from Sugar Mama. So, I'm going to take pictures of it today. Let's unbox this. Okay, what do we have? So, we have 2 cakes. Bio. Dalawang cake. Okay, cake number 1. Malamig-lamig pa. Cake number 2. And we have this set of props that I'm going to use to take pictures. And we have, siya ito yung pinaka-excited ako, yung kanyang cookie box. Let's open it. Actually, open natin ng medyo maganda. Para I can still take pictures. I also prepared props na for the pictures. So we have these 3 sets of plates na iba-ibang color. We have this parang mini plate, another mini plate, and then ito para magmukha siyang kunwari out of the oven. And then ito naman, cortina lang siya na puti. Nalagay ko here para white yung scene. OMG! Ah! Cookies! Ito yung parang mini cookie niya. Actually, mini ba to? Ang laki, oh. Like, looks so good. Okay. The next one is, nag-ano si Jade? Binance. Okay. The next one is ube. Nakalimutan ko yung actual flavor, pero ito yung ube niya. Ube burn past cheesecake. Oh my gosh, ang sarap niyan. The next one is, wait lang. The second cake is, wait. Open mo. Si tubig kasi, papabuhat pa eh. Okay, the second cake is strawberry Oreo cheesecake. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to take pictures. For sure, maganda to because yung food pa lang itself, oh, ang ganda. Okay, and then yung last na pinadala niya actually are props. Ito. So, ano lang naman to, extra berries. And Oreo. Just so, ayun, para lang pang decorate. Okay, let's start. Game. By the way, guys, meron akong few pegs here. Of course, hindi ko naman siya magagawang ganyan kaganda. But, let's try. So, this is what I'm trying to do now. Parang mali. But, yeah. Anyway, let's try. Okay, this is my setup, guys, for the second cake. Look at that. Okay, ang ganda. Okay, wait. I'm going to slice it for you can see what's inside. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm afraid to slice it, but I have to. Just so you can see kung gaano siya kaganda. I have to for the photo. Okay, let's slice this slowly. Okay, wait. And the other one. Okay. Oops. I managed to slice it, guys. And look. Wow. Look at that. Ganda. Wait lang. Okay, guys. This is our third cake. So, I think this is ube makapuno. Sarap. So, ayan, look at that. Meron pa siyang toasted sugar on top. Let's open it. Hey guys, so I'm done. I kind of promoted my dad's, makapuno balls. So, sinama ko siya sa dito, sa isa sa mga photos. But I also prepared one na wala. Of course, kasi hindi naman siya part ng menu ni Dayan. So, there. And ito yung, sorry na slice ko na siya kasi inayos ko yung photo. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to fix my area na and edit this and show you the result. Okay guys, so I managed to import all the photos. So I'm going to edit them and show you how it looks like. There. Ayan sila. Okay guys, here are the finished photos. So ito yung edited version. So look at the before and the after. So super napalabas niya yung beauty of the product. So ito rin. here as well.